15 lakhs in Japan. International caregiver jobs now open. 80 plus candidates already placed. Visit us today to know more.
Harian katu kat Nipor ke Ïakren hapadang ginong elam ke senong lapanga bat ki seng bahalang ki bala wantor se sekretariat bandawa na ke Sorkar jela ban aji ada ya ginong song senong hakate ke than bakimyo ban lek rap show namar ke jing penthot ki karbi ubat senya bahalang dhar usumbut menteri rangba ubadiru MLA kanar tiang ulaong ke Sorkar kan yada ya ginong song senong Habakran sikilat pathai kubor hakapor no pai Sngi jong khat lai tere ujembang arajar alpun rio ubat snyau bhalang dhar ulaong bagaje Ïakren kam dei Halor ki kam Khappud Hynrei kedai Halor ke jing sngan ban Trei ya ki kam ki jam ki bagi nong song snong ki Trei man ka Sngi Shu Halor ke Ïakren penbet pur ubat snyau bhalang ulaong bakan beteng hadien baka asam kan thong ya ki chairman jongki regional committee jongki
The people of Lapangap village and some of the NGOs mainly about this Lapangap issues. So there is some things happening for the last few days. So about now it's a time to go for the farmer has it's a time to go to cultivate their land. So there is some disturb from the Karbi side. So about the issue they made. So we had a very fruitful and good meeting with them. So but I showed them from the government we try to do at our level best to protect our people. Peace should be maintained as usual. You see, actually, today is not about our issue. They are coming and discussing about this. They are livelihood which are a part of the village Lapanga, which has been normal for the last so many years, have been cultivated. Paddy field in the Karbi side. That this is not about our issues, it's the state level subject. So today they came and request us. So it seems some of the Karbi will disturb them. So we are assured them we'll provide them full force from tomorrow onwards. So make sure the cultivate should be nicely, nobody should disturb.
So will you also take up this matter with counterparts?
No, obviously. You see, because as of now we had discussed this, so both the DC will discuss first, and even they had discussed this last few days also. So there is some more to be discussed. So, and even since the government of Assam has formed a new government yesterday itself, so obviously our chief minister has told me that he will discuss this issue every day, and our chief minister of Assam.
So now when are you expecting this body talks to DPR and
No.
whether these issues that Karbi people are creating?
Yeah, it'll link up all together because it's along the border. So we are waiting as soon as the government of Assam appoint a new chairman of the regional committee from that side. So we will take a call. We will meet the other counterpart in the appropriate time.
But they have also demanded to have more forces in the border.
Yeah, they demand, but we are assured we probably have provision. We will provide sufficient force so that their activity should not be disturbed.
So additional forces will be sent immediately because
No, it's already there, but some more they need, and we'll provide more immediately.
how many?
No, we'll provide as per needed.
Habatin, pej bahagi kishab, kashab plus F.
Ka plus F?
Hakabam mangibam dunaki eki batay kamet. Namar kata habathiru atau khau kamlu ka umpnyang kadut pej ya kashab plus F hakajing som. Yaki nutrient kumki vitamin bat ka ayan la Ïakren diat bat ka bathau bha kam kta ka dur jingki marbam ka jing mat lani ka rukom shed yaki. Balehi banai kita. Kadon ka we ka jing mentoy ba kongsan. Ka kot ka khia. Kan nutrition bakam bha kajing im bakam bha pendon kam daki mar ba medon ka sharp plus F menta ka Sngi
Lawan Ra Shafi Lingba ko office jong Commissionerate of Food Safety Meghalaya